Okay, so I hope that you're nicely warmed up. We're gonna start with the halfway pistol squat, and the timer starts now. Pistol halfway down, up, all the way down, up, jump into the plank. Now, one leg push up, and a knee tuck, and jump up. And let's keep going. Halfway down pistol, all the way down, push your hips back, jump into the plank, one leg push up, and knee tuck, and jump up. That's 2, we're doing 5 on each leg. Pistol, halfway down, all the way down, jump into the plank, one leg push up, knee tuck, and jump up. That's 3. Halfway down pistol, all the way down, jump into the plank, one leg push up, knee tuck, jump up. That's 4. One more. Halfway pistol, all the way down, and up. Jump into the plank, one leg push up, knee tuck, jump up. And that's 5. Now switch legs. So, halfway down pistol, all the way down. Don't forget to tense all of the muscles on the standing leg. Jump into the plank, one leg push up, and then knee tuck with the other leg. Jump your feet forward and jump up. That's 1. Halfway down, all the way down. Jump into the plank, one leg push up, knee tuck. Jump your feet forward, jump up. That's 2. Halfway down, all the way up, jump into the plank, one leg push up, knee tuck, jump forward and up. That's 3. Halfway down, all the way down, plank, one leg push up, knee tuck, jump up. That's 4. And last one. Halfway down, up, all the way down, up, plank, push up, knee tuck, jump up. That's 5. Next exercise combo, jump, tuck, and pistol. And we're doing 10 reps alternating legs. So jump, tuck, pistol, jump, tuck, switch legs, pistol. That's 2. Let's push through this one. 3 and up. 4 down and up. 5 and up. 6 jump back, switch legs. 7 8. We can do this. 2 more reps. 9 and last one. 10. Okay, last exercise combo. Pick up your kettlebell, and now we're gonna work our arms and shoulders. So now you're gonna press the kettlebell up overhead. Look at the kettlebell, lock your elbow, bring it down. Now get on your knees, bring it up, down, sit down, all the way down. Keep your back straight and push up and down. Good job. Now get up. and switch arms. Now press up, look up and down. Get on your knees, press up, look up and sit down. And press up and down. Okay, get up. And let's switch arms. Press up. Really engage your core. Down on your knees. Again, engage your core, squeeze your glutes. Press up and sit down. Do not round your back when you're sitting. Okay, get up. Bring it down. Switch. Again, brace your core. Up and down on your knees. Press and down and all the way down and press. Good job. Get up, bring it down, and that was the first round. So now let's repeat. Start with the pistol squat, halfway down, halfway down, all the way down, jump into the plank, cross your ankles, do one leg push-up, knee tuck, jump your feet forward, jump up, and that's one. Let's keep going. Halfway down, all the way down and up. Jump into the plank, cross your ankles, one leg push-up, knee tuck, and jump up. Halfway down, all the way down. Jump into the plank, cross your legs, one leg push-up, knee tuck, jump tuck. Jump up. That's 3. Okay, halfway down, all the way down. Jump into the plank, cross your legs, push up, knee tuck, and jump. That's 4. Halfway down, all the way down. Plank, knee tuck, jump. 5. Let's try to pick up the pace now on the other leg. Halfway down, all the way down. Jump into the plank, push up, knee tuck, and jump. Halfway down, all the way down. That's 2. Halfway down, all the way down. Plank, push up, knee tuck. 3. Number 4. Jump, push up, knee tuck, and jump up. And last one. Halfway down, all the way down. Plank, push up, knee tuck, jump up. Good job. Okay, jump up, jump tuck, jump tuck, and pistol. Let's do this. Let's push through this one. Jump and pistol. Jump and switch legs. That's 3. 4, squeeze your glutes. And 5. And 6. 7. 3 more. 8. 9. Last one. 10. Awesome. Okay. Now the press with kettlebell. Okay, bring it up. Press it up, look up, and down. Kneel down. Press up. And sit. Back straight. And press. Okay, you can bring it down. It's becoming really hard right now. So, switch arms. Bring it up. Press up. Kneel down. And down. And sit down. Okay. Inhale. And exhale. And you can bring it down. Stand up. One more round. Up. Press up. And down. Kneel down. And press. And sit down. Your smalls. And press. And bring it down. And get up. And bring it up. Press up. Kneel down. Engage your core. Press. Down. Sit. Keep your back straight. And press. Okay. Bring it down. And that's it. Get up. Round number 3. Okay. Start with the halfway pistol squat. All the way down. Plank. Cross your ankles. On leg push up. And knee tuck. Jump up. Keep going. Halfway down. All the way down. And plank. Push up. Knee tuck. And jump up. That's 2. Halfway down. All the way down and up. Squeeze all of the muscles of the standing leg. Jump into the plank. Cross your ankles. Push up. Knee tuck. Jump. That's 3. Halfway down. All the way down. Up. Jump into the plank. Cross your ankles. Push up. Knee tuck. Jump. That's 4. Last one on this leg. Halfway down. All the way. And push up off of the heel.
Minute left.
And push up. Knee tuck. And jump. Okay, that was the last 5. Now we're gonna switch legs. Halfway down. All the way down. And jump into the plank. Cross your ankles. Push up. Knee tuck. And jump. This is a time challenge. We're trying to complete this workout as fast as possible. Halfway down. All the way down. Jump into the plank. Do a push-up and a knee tuck. Jump up. I don't know, was it 2? Halfway down. All the way down. Jump into the plank. Do a push-up. Knee tuck. Jump up. 3. Halfway down. All the way. Jump into the plank. Push up. Knee tuck. Jump up. 4. And 1 more. Same leg. Come on, we can do this. Halfway down. All the way down. Jump into the plank. Cross your ankles. Push up. Knee tuck. Jump up. Nice. Now, jump tuck and pistol squat. 10 reps alternating legs. Let's do this. And pistol. 1. And pistol. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Almost there. 9. And 1 more. And 10. Okay, grab the kettlebell. Engage your core and press. Get down on your knees and press. Sit down. Back straight. And press. And bring it down. Stand up. And clean it up. Engage your core and press. And down. Kneel. And press. Down. And sit. And press. And bring it down. That's right. Okay, stand up. Guess what? Last set on each arm. Okay. Clean it up into the rack. Press up. Kneel. Squeeze all the muscles. And sit. And press. Bring it down. Okay. You guys been asking me how do I get these shoulders and arms? Get a kettlebell if you don't have it yet. You'll see. Nice. Bring it up. And press it up. And kneel down. And press. Nice. Sit down. And press. I had to help myself now because I wouldn't be able to do it. That's how hard it is. Anyways, that's it. Stand up. Walk in place. I'm sure you're happy that this workout is behind us. We're done. Now you just have to move on directly to your cool down and stretching. And remember, next time you do this workout, try not to just keep up with me. Try to push yourself harder and try to create your own personal best for this workout. That's your challenge for the next time. So that's it for today, and I will see you guys next time in the Z Gym. Ciao!